Hello everyone, this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project push to pump timer. So let's see how it's done. Now before making the connections, make sure you have a container full of water and you have submerged the water pump inside it and connected a straw to it. Now let's make the connections. First of all, we will connect the power to the push button, then push button to the positive of the water pump and its negative to the ground. Now, before making the connections fully, make sure you hold the straw on top of the container so that the water goes inside it and doesn't spill outside. Now, let's check by pushing the button if it's working. See, it's working perfectly. The water will keep circulating as long as I keep pushing the button. As soon as I release it, it stops. And this is how it's done.